Here are some unique Reactor plugins that you should try right now. First is Shader Toys. After installing that plugin, just type shader and you will get a loads of tools. Then you just need to connect your video with that tool and you will get very cool 3D effects. This tool has a lot of built-in 3D effects that you can use. Next plugin is Suckless Audio. This is a really cool plugin. So by using this plugin, what you can do is you can right click on any control. For example, this height, go to modify with, then modifiers, and then suckless audio wave. Then if you go to the modifier, from here you can select the audio. Then this height will move according to the audio. Now you might not hear any audio here. So I'm gonna go to the edit page and drag that same audio underneath, and now you can see synced. More you can do is after this background note, you can add a duplicate note and then change the center value and make more copies. Let's make 4 and then decrease the size, and now let's change the offset. Let's do 1.2 and then finally add a mirror node. Now if we go back to the edit page, you will see something like this. Okay, so the next plugin is XfChroma Fuse, and what this plugin does, if you increase the size, then you will get this RGB color blend. You can also change the position, and in rendering you can also change the color of this. This is great for making transitions. Then the next plugin is XGlow, which is a very popular glow. Let's decrease the gain. This is a little heavy glow, so you might need to right click here and turn off this high quality and the motion blur and turn on proxy. And if you click here, we'll get this proxy range. If one or two doesn't work for you, then you can decrease the quality more. Might help you to get a smooth playback. For my case, let's go back to the 4. And you can play with the settings. You can also change the color of the glow, and from gain you can increase the glow. Diffuse Gamma. This is another blur node which gives you a really good looking blur. By using this image gain, you get a little shiny effect and you get different modes here. So our last plugin is SuperPolygon. You can get it from the GitHub. It's not available in Fusion. And when you install it, so you have to connect the input and then you will get this kind of boxy type. And you can change to different modes, and you can also animate them by using this keyframe. Let me show you a cool effect. Let's just add an edge detect, and then in the merge node you can change it to screen, and then edge detect you can decrease the brightness and the width, also the gamma which controls the glowness. What you can do is increase the brightness and also the blur, then it will give you this kind of look. And then you can animate this relative size, or you can just stick on the time variable. It will give you this kind of effect. So I hope so you like all these plugins.